Evan. 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 Mugocha, you haven't taken a shower, Hiluna. You haven't taken a shower. Yes. Where? Why haven't you taken a shower? Don't you know that you're a girl and you're supposed to always be clean and smell good? And you do not smell good right now. You don't even smell, and that's gross. Yes. Yes. You have to take a bath, and you have to put lotion and a clean diaper on you and clean clothes, and we have to comb your hair and put a pretty little bow on her because she's a little girl and she needs to wear bows in her hair. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She has to put bows in her hair because she's a little girl and she's a mama's little girl. And mama's little girl always has to look pretty. Like Xander, we comb Xander's hair every day and we put hairspray in his hair and we clean his hair, and that's what you need to do too. We need to do that to you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's hungry. She's hungry. She says, Mama, feed me. I'm so hungry. I just ate an hour ago, and that was too long ago. I need to eat all the time because I'm a growing baby, and I need to eat all the time. Yes, I do. I need to eat all the time so I could be big just like my little brother. My big brother, I mean. One day, me and Xander are going to be the same height and the same size. We're going to be the same height and the same size one of these days, and I'm going to tell Xander, you need to eat like me. You need to eat like me so you can grow up to be a strong, healthy little boy so you can protect me and my mama. Yes. And you can protect me and my mama. Evelyn, where's Xander? Where is he at? Say, I don't know, Mama. He's over there. Yes, he's having a field day right now. He's having a field day, and it's time for Mama and Evelyn to cuddle. Yes, because that's her favorite time, because Xander doesn't like to cuddle. Xander's a boy. He likes to be mean. I like to snuggle, Mom. I even like to snuggle with my brother. Yes, because I snuggle with my brother, because he lets me. He lets me, and I let him touch my hair. And work together all the time. Me and my brother, we go to daycare together. Yes, we do. We work together all the time. Okay, Evelyn. We better turn off the camera.